Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can copy a page in ClickFunnels and save a ton of time. It doesn't matter if it's a sales page, an opt-in page, membership area, the fundamentals, the principles are all the same. So with that being said, I'll see you on the other side. All right, you guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I am in the ClickFunnels area here. For this particular example, this is a funnel that I created called Profit Launcher. It is a product that my partner and I, Suleik Tigala, created for struggling or new affiliates to make steady incomes without having to pay any recurring fees. I can leave a link down in the description below if you want some more information about that. Also, guys, I make tons of videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels, etc. So you can check that out on my YouTube channel as well, guys. But let's get into the lesson. So for this particular example, I'm going to clone one of my OTOs. OTO is an upsell. So if you have more than one product that you are going to sell, this is called an OTO. So we have OTO number 4. I'm going to show you how you can duplicate that, clone it to make it OTO 5. So the first thing you want to do is just click on the page that you want to clone. So in this particular example, sales page OTO 4. And then we go down here to click clone funnel step. Click on that. All right, and now we want to publish it. That means we want to call it something unique. So this is no longer, OTO number 4. It's going to be OTO number 5. And how about we just call it Profits Unlimited. There we go. Update funnel step like so. Oops, it's just called Pro. Okay, guys, sorry, and let's go back. Profits Unlimited, that's better. Update funnel step. There we go. And then we're just going to simply add to funnel. And if we scroll down, we can see we have a brand new sales page, guys. So this will save you a ton of time if you are creating multiple OTOs, multiple sales pages, multiple of anything. So that's what I did with this funnel. Saved me a bunch of time. You can do the exact same things and save yourself a bunch of time and a bunch of headache. And guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment to my channel, hit that bell button, check me out on KeironGHogg.com. And if you have any questions, like I say, about making money online or affiliate marketing, please do reach out to me, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until then, best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.